Good morning, everybody, and this is your SP 500 setups for today. So Microsoft results were out yesterday. Results weren't bad, but there was some mumbling about the growth in the cloud business. Now, I don't think majority of investors are actually in the IT industry actually understand the complexity of that statement. But anyway, for me, S&P 500 is back at a major level of support, which is perfect. And this is back at 4906. So 4900 is what we need to be watching today. Pretty simple. Oscillators are overbought at the moment, and they're starting to cross over. But again, V-reversals are rare. And this, to me, is up until it's not. And you're going to have to break through the underside of this channel before that becomes a short. So, if you start putting I'll put the horizontal level in now, but you can see the channel. And if we just put the horizontal level in, which is pretty much this pin bar at 48.68, that's the only time that it would start looking like a short at the moment. If you start drilling down through the time frames, and 3 hour big up, big down so far, but the trend is still up. Oscillators have rolled over and are pointing down, but again, we are at a fairly decent bit of structure here. The last thing I want to do before we get rid of the diagonals is just put in the next level. That is the next level there, 48.99, 4900. So that is the zone we need to be paying attention to. Even if we do dip below it, I'd be very cautious because of this bottom trend line here. So let's just get rid of that so that doesn't change our bias. And don't forget to hit that like button. Now, drilling down to the hour. Big up, sideways, confusion, and then sort of as Microsoft results were released, that's what drove the S&P down. Fairly 166 points, but for me, back in a zone of support. This is where I'd be looking for an opportunity to buy. Now, we are below the faster moving averages at the moment, but we've been doing that pretty much the last 5 days. So look at the oscillators. That's your important cue here. There is the previous swing low, and that was Tuesday. You can see the low of yesterday and the current low, but have a look at what the oscillators are doing. So high, lower low, you can see there, and we've separated, and it looks like we are crossing over. So this to me is a perfect setup. That's diversions. It is an absolute perfect setup in a bull trend to look for an opportunity to get long. Now, 15 minutes, granted, we had a pretty sharp breakthrough the chaos here, but the bigger picture is not that bearish to me. This does look like it could be the start of something bearish, but you would more than likely see a rejection of 49.17 to come and test 4900. 4900 is a big level. So 4906 here is probably not on the cards. And look at this, there's a little 15-minute pin bar here. So there's your 3 levels for today. I'm looking for supports at 4902 and 4900. I'm looking for inside bars, engulfing bars, or pin bars in this zone for a move up. My first take profit is definitely going to be this area here at 49.17. I want to see a rejection off this, a pullback, come and test whatever fractal has been formed, which could be at this stage the current high of the morning, and then another attempt at that to the upside. Next big day for results is going to be Thursday, and I think Google was also a catalyst here. There was something on Google, I haven't really read up on it, but that's kind of the noise that we have in the market, and that's to be expected as the market just digests the results and panics. But your long-term investors are going to be snapping up cheaper stocks. So anyway, that's just the way the cookie crumbles. So that's kind of my view for today. I'm not confident we've got shorts brewing. We're going to have to break below the lows of not so much yesterday, but the day before, which is all the way down here at around 48.81 before I even start considering this. I don't see us barreling through 4900. And I do think we've got non-farm payrolls. I'm saying to be corrected, but I think non-farm payrolls will be on Friday as well. So yeah, just proceed with caution. I'm still looking for opportunities to buy. I wouldn't be too concerned about this little after hours move here. You're going to see people finding value, and they're going to be jumping in on stocks. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.